Welcome back to Homestar Inspection. It's Toby. So we're here on the second floor of a condo unit, and wanted to point out one thing that can actually lead to some mold problems. Here in South Florida, we have a ton of moisture, and these old Jalousie windows, the old crank style, they louver up and closed. Those leak like a sieve, and what'll happen is your AC unit's going to be running a lot more than it should. It's going to be condensing moisture within the ductwork, and you're going to create a mold problem over time. This condo was built in 1983, so this ductwork, as you'll see in the photos, is pretty extensively nasty, dusty, moldy, and that's a direct result of both leaks that are coming from above and also the elevated moisture from those Jalousie windows leaking. Jalousie windows worked back in the day before they condensed, or before they started conditioning the air inside the units, and they are now obsolete and should always be removed when the condo actually has conditioning, air conditioning specifically. As a quick pro tip for you, you need our services, reach out to us through our website, homestarinspectionsfl.com. Take it easy.